Okay, wait, you're gonna have to come. Oh, there he is. You're gonna have to come closer.
Oh, these have wheels. I forgot.
Yeah, mine doesn't. Okay. Where are we, Frank?
We're at your house.
Yay! Well, you know, not your house, but my house. And and Gabby, she is what is it? She is our audience right now. Hi, Gabby. Hi. Poor people to watch this. That's included Fred, Danny, and me. And Anthony. He told me today, he's like, you and Frank talk about the most random shit ever.
We do.
Yeah, we do. And, yeah. So today's topic is cookies. Cookies.
Today we'll be teaching you how to make some cookies.
And by we mean Gabby, yeah, the cookbook. Not Frank.
Yeah, not me. Because I spilled everything everywhere.
And he puts it back in the bowl. Okay, we're the ones eating the cookies. Don't eat my cookies. Don't eat my cookies. Wow. Yeah. We love our public audience. It puts a lot of pressure on us though to be happy. I mean happy. Funny. And she's snoring right now. And that cannot be a good sign. What is this live TV? Can't imagine right here. It's funny because Gabby's like kind of looking at us, but then she's not. So like when she does look, it's when we're doing retarded crap. That's what makes her say, "Why do I watch this show?" Okay, kids, the show. It should make this. I know. Welcome to the Philip DeFranco Show, the Daily Show. It's 60 seconds for the camera for 2 to 30 minutes. Yeah. I didn't get him with anything. Oh yeah, it's the song we wrote.
Hey, did you upload the one where we sang it?
We didn't record one.
Yeah, we did.
No, we didn't.
Didn't we?
No.
Oh, that sucks.
We did.
I wanted to send it to Lady Gaga. She's like, hey, look.
Oh,
We did something nice too. Why don't you give us her bows?
Hair bows. My natural hair color is tint number 51.
Mine's decay. No, seriously, that's what it's called. I swear.
So, yeah. God, it's really light over here. I'm like American for once in my life. That's fun. Good stuff. Remember, like,
what?
When we would talk at the same time.
Oh,
and
yeah.
you'd be, like, yelling at your phone. Good stuff. What, Belle? Which one? Oh, no. Yay! Gabby's bad-mouthing me and Frank to my mom. Look, she's laughing. Well, Francisco watches telenovelas. What do you watch? Hi, Mom!
Hi, Mom!
Okay, we have, there she is. Wait, yeah. She's right there somewhere. We have our second member of the audience.
Uh-huh.
Puts a lot of pressure on me.
We have 5 fans now.
Mom, are you a fan? Are you going to add us as a friend on MySpace? After you make a MySpace? Hold on, it's only logical. Hi. She's telling my mom everything that happened in the past 2 minutes.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yes, quite. Okay, we're gonna say bye now. Bye.